Welcome to Module 3, the final module in the course. So far, you've discovered your keywords and optimized your on-site SEO. Now it's time to focus on off-site SEO. By the end of this module, you'll understand what off-site SEO is and 4 proven strategies to improve your search ranking. So, what is off-site SEO? Off-site SEO refers to any kind of search engine optimization that takes place not on your website. The most important part of off-site SEO is called link building. The overall idea with link building is that you want other websites to link to your website. When someone links back to you, it's like a vote of confidence that you're providing value, and Google can see that your website is worth ranking. This actually comes from how academic papers are written. If the same paper or study is referenced to over and over again, it's generally seen as a distinguished piece of work and well respected in its community. External linking for SEO works the same way, and it's quantified with something people in the SEO industry refer to as domain authority. The more links you get, the higher your domain authority is. The higher your domain authority is, the easier it is to rank for relevant keywords. The truth is, there are hundreds of strategies for link building, but in this module, we're going to focus on 4. This will be a great starting point. The 4 link building strategies you'll learn are guest posting, getting press, product reviews from influencers, and brand reclamation. Now that you understand the importance of off-site SEO, let's head to the next lesson to learn 4 of my favorite link building strategies to improve your search ranking.